Hello everyone. So here is our next question. So in this question, we are again given a C program and we have to find the output of this given code. Okay. So here we have written the int main. Inside int main, we have the variable z having some value. And after that, we are assigning the value z equal to 10. We are passing this into a function fun. Okay. And after that, we are printing the value of z. Inside this fun, we are saying x equal to 2, then we are adding this x value inside this z. Okay, and we have also used our global variable z. So these are the 4 options that are given to you, and you have to find the correct answer out of these 4 options. So I will start the timer and you can read the question. You can find the answer first by yourself, and after that I will explain the correct answer. So I hope you have got the answer. So the correct answer for this question is option A. That means z equal to 10. It will come as the output. So let's see how we are getting this answer. So here is our main function. And just to tell you, we have a global variable z. Okay. So global variable are given the values or they are read before this main function. And they are given the value whichever is given to them. So here no value is given. So by default, the global variable have z equal to 0 value. Okay. So now let's start from the main function. So here you can see we have again used a variable z having the value 5. So this is actually a local variable. Okay. So this will be local to your main function. So this will be having z equal to 5. This z and this z both are different. This is a local variable. This is a global variable. Okay. So let's say this is at address number 100. This will be at, let's say, memory address 200. So now in the next line, we are saying z equal to 10. Now the question is, we have two z, this z and this global z. So in which z this 10 will be going? Inside this local variable or the global variable? So here, when there is a fight between the local variable and the global variable, both are having the same name. Okay, this is the main thing. Both local and global variable are having the same name. Then to remove the confusion between the what variable we should use, local or global, then the C compiler or the C programming says you should give the priority or the precedence to the local variable. So here you can see we have this z variable, okay, in the local scope of the main function. So this 10 will be going inside this local variable. Okay, if this z was not present, this local variable is not present, then this 10 will go into the global variable. So now next line says, okay, pass this z inside this function. So here 10 will be passed. That means this value will be passed. And now it will be copied here. So here we have created a local variable in the scope of this function fun with value 10. So this is copied into x. Now inside here we are saying x equal to 2. So this will be changed. And now z equal to z plus x. Okay. So here you can see inside this function fun we have no z. Okay. So this line means z equal to z plus x, right? So which z we should see? We have this z also, this z also. But inside this fun we cannot access this z, right? So that means there is no z present inside fun. So we will directly jump to the global variable z. So we will take this 0. Okay. So this means z equal to 0 plus and x is 2. So this will be 2. So that means this 2 will be going inside in global variable. So 2 will be here. Okay. So now we will come back here and now we will come to the next line. So here it is saying print the value of z. So which z should I print? So again we have a local variable z. Okay. So this is in the scope of this main function, and because this local variable is already present, so we will not see this z. Okay. We will see our local variable z, and this local z is having the value how much? 10. Okay. So we will be printing 10 from here. So our answer will come as z equal to 10. That's why we were getting this as the answer. So I hope you have understood the explanation. So let's see, if this int z is not present in our C program, then what will be the output? So here I have written the program. So here we have the local variable z and global variable z. Okay. So if I run this original program only, then see we are getting z equal to 10 as the output. Okay, so let's remove this space. Now if I remove this int z, that is I comment this, then see what is the output that we are getting. So see, we are getting z equal to 12. Okay, so we do not have any local variable inside main. In that case, we are getting z equal to 10. So let's see how. So now actually what will happen if I remove this line? Okay, so here int z is there, so z will be initialized with 0. Now we will start from this here. Okay, so z equal to 10. So there is no z inside this main function. Okay, but we have a global variable. Okay, so due to this we will go to this global z. So that means this z will now be initialized with this 10. Now this z will be passed, that means 10 will be passed, and we will come here. So 10 will be copied inside this x. Now by this line we are changing it to 2, and this line is saying z equal to z plus x. Okay, so here there is no z, so we will directly go to global z. Global z is having 10 value, so this will be 10 plus 2, that means 12. Okay, so what will happen? This 12 will go into this z, and this z is this global z. Okay, so now we will come here, and again we will be printing this z because we do not have any local variable here. Okay, we have commented this, so we will be checking only the global variable, and global variable has been assigned the value 12 via this function. So this z will be saying global variable is having 12 value, so that's why we were getting z equal to 12. Okay, and lastly, if this z is also not present, that means there is no global, there is no local z, then what will be the output? Then there is a simple error, compile time error in this program. Why? Because there is no declaration of the z either in the local scope of the main function or in the global scope. So if I remove this int z also, see, now if I compile this, see, I am getting error, z is undeclared. Okay, so I hope you have understood the explanation. So if you have any comment query, you can write down into the comment box, and do not forget to like and share this video. So now let's move to the next question.